Hello guys, today we have Samsung A03s LCD replacement. This is a new model of Samsung Galaxy. The device is so dirty, don't know why. Let's remove the SIM card tray. The screen is broken as you can see. Let's start detaching the frame from the housing. You can use your fingernails or any plastic tools. Alright, we don't have to heat any parts for now. This model can be opened so easy, no screws until now. Just keep detaching. You have to be careful that we have fingerprint flex cable at the right side of the phone. Right? It's not at the back, it's on the right. The flex cable can be removed when we remove all the screws and remove the shield. Be careful not to damage that flex cable. Alright, this shield is so tight on place, so I'm going to use something metal to remove it. Or am I removing from the wrong side? Okay, just remove it from here. And the shield is out. Unplug the battery, then you can remove the fingerprint flex cable. We have both flex cables from the LCD, one to connect the sub to the main board and one to connect the screen to the main board. So we have at the bottom flex cable that connect the sub board. This screen it's much same as the A11 and some other devices I can't remember now. So we have 3 flex cables. We can for now connect the both flex cable. We can remove the third one, we don't need it because I'm going just to turn on the device and check the screen. This is all I just want to do for now. I'm going to check the screen if the screen is working and the touch is working also. After that I can assemble. If we assemble the screen, it will be no longer guaranteed. So this is the thing that we all should do before putting the glue to the screen. Screen is perfect, the touch screen is perfect. Now I'm going to remove the new screen, unplug the battery, remove the flex cables, and let's continue remove the loudspeaker at the bottom because we need to remove the screen. Remove all the screws, detach the loudspeaker. Alright, unplug the flex cable and let's remove the subboard with the antenna so we can work better when we assemble the new screen. Alright, you can also remove the antenna with it. This device is suffered a liquid damage or just liquid without damage. We have the red sticker at the bottom, so this suffered from water or anything like that. Let's now remove the screen. The screen takes long time to be removed. You have to push the screen from some side that can be removed. I'm putting some glue so I can remove the screen without making too much effort. You may also buy the screen with that frame, so you will not need to do what I'm doing now. Alright, we just need to go from some side and then we can insert, like now, a plastic piece, then we can just slide it all over the edges. Then the screen will be out easily. you can use some heat because I don't need the glasses to be everywhere. The best thing we will do now is to clean all over the frame very much. So the better we clean, the better the screen will assemble to the frame. And remember, if the frame is bent, it's better to make it right and straight, or you can buy another one. You can't assemble a new screen to a bent frame. This is very wrong. You may end broken it or damage it, or it could be just broke with the customer with a single hit. I'm putting the screen without the glue to make sure the frame is not bent and straight and the screen fit on that place perfectly. After that, I confirm what I can see, and then I will put the glue and we will be ready to assemble. Alright, seems everything is perfect now. Remove the screen, get ready to get these ear speaker shield. We left it with the old screen. You have to get it from there and put it to the frame. I just want to mention something. Lately that night someone commented in my video and told me, "Hi, I'm just curious, why do you still consistently upload videos when there is so less views? No hate though, appreciate that you put in effort in your videos." Honestly, this guys made me unhappy for that words he put in. I didn't know even what to tell him. But he's right. But we can't just give up. We must do our job. In the last, we will have the effort we made. I told him I don't know when another video will just raise without warning. We believe in our God and He's capable to do anything we can in this life. If you have the passion, then you should succeed. I'm raising and my channel is raising, but too much slow. I call this victory. Anyway guys, and all who watching, we do this all for you. It's not all for the money. Alright, let's get to the work. No need to put too much glue, just all over the frame. Be careful with the ear speaker and the sensors, and then you can assemble and push the screen to its position. And with that, we will be just finished. Be careful to remove the sticker from the camera, front camera. Alright, push the screen, and now let's assemble every piece we took out from this frame. We have a rubber to the front camera. We have to put it on the position. I clean the camera first and then I'm going to put it. Then we will put the mainboard to its position and assemble whatever left. You can now plug the 2 flex cable at the main board, bring the subboard, put it on the position, make sure it's fit in position, press it down. Now make the antenna goes on its line place, alright, because it has his own path. We can't mix it with another path unless we need to cut or damage that wire. You can now plug the battery, continue put the loudspeaker, screw it down, and let's go to the top, put the flex cable connected to the main board, and then we will put the last piece, the shield. Screw it down and our job has been done. I think we are finished for now. Everything has been explained, but if you have any questions you can just write it on the comments below. We can call it for now. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe to support the channel. Your support is so much matter for us. Peace.